Love one another. Love one another as I love you. A blessed Sunday, my dear friends. This is Vani Ocampo. Welcome to Pathways of Hope. We have a very beautiful gospel today from John chapter 15, verses 9 to 17. Allow me to read it to you. Jesus said to his disciples, "As the Father loves me, so I also love you. Remain in my love. If you keep my commandments, you will remain in my love, just as I have kept my Father's commandments and remain in his love. I have told you this so that my joy may be in you and your joy might be complete. This is my commandment. Love one another as I love you. No one has greater love than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. You are my friends if you do what I command you. I no longer call you slaves, because a slave does not know what his master is doing. I have called you friends, because I have told you everything I have heard from my Father. It was not you who chose me, but I who chose you and appointed you to go and bear fruit that will remain, so that whatever you ask the Father in my name, he may give you. This I command you, love one another." Imagine how our family, neighborhood, workplace, community could be if we truly strive to love one another. Love is powerful. It compels us to desire the best for the other person and to care deeply for them despite our differences. The question you may now have in your mind is this: can we really love others the way God loves us? Is it humanly possible? The gospel today points us to the answer to that question, not once, not twice, but thrice. And this is the answer: remain in my love. Remain in his love. We can only love others unconditionally if we remain in God's love. My departed brother Dondon committed a lot of mistakes in his life. At one point, he asked me, "Why are you so patient with me, ate? Why do you continue to love me in spite of my wrongdoings?" I remember quoting to him this passage from today's reading: "As the Father loves me, so I also love you." I further told him that there is nothing that he will do in this lifetime that would change the way I love him. This is God's command and call for all of us. Love one another. If we decide to love others daily, every day through God's grace, we will be following in the footsteps of Jesus. If we do, he promised that we will experience true joy. In verse 11 of today's reading, Jesus said, "I have told you this so that my joy may be in you and your joy might be complete." Today's gospel, as you can see, revealed to us the formula for living. Remain in God's love plus love one another equals joyful and abundant life. Blessed by the short reflection today, be a hope giver and a digital missionary by clicking the share button. Thank you and God bless you.